Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to leave a group chat on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've ever found yourself stuck in a group conversation you no longer want to be part of, this quick tutorial will help you exit smoothly and without any hassle. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu where you'll find several icons. Click on the Messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane or a speech bubble depending on your version. This will take you directly to your inbox, where all your conversations, including group chats, are listed. Next, scroll through your messages and open the group chat that you want to leave. Inside the chat window, look for the info icon, usually represented by an eye inside a circle, located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access the group's details and settings. Once you're in the group info section, you'll see an option labeled Leave Chat. Click on this option to initiate the process of exiting the group. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your decision to leave, ensuring that you don't leave by mistake. Finally, confirm that you want to leave the chat by clicking on the confirmation button. And that's it. You will be removed from the group, and you won't receive any more messages or notifications from that chat. Leaving a group on Instagram using your PC is straightforward and quick with this new update. Whether you want to reduce distractions or simply clean up your inbox, these steps will help you manage your conversations better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Instagram experience.